Wait, we're gonna have to save him.
Alright.
He's going down. He's going down. I got it all on videotape.
You jackass. Oh. What are you doing? You lose your shoe? Nope, not yet. What the fuck are you doing? Playing it out. Now, hopefully you got this on camera.
Yes.
What are you doing? The ball's sitting right in front of you. Playing here, Matthew. Abort, I hope.
Okay.
Pick it up.
Chip it up.
Take a stroke.
He's got to take a swing.
I'm getting the hell out of here. Watch out, boys.
Good practice swing. Hey, he's out! Okay.
Alright. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Hey, Doug, you're going to have to help him. He's
Holy shit.
Okay, I got to help him.